If this continues, and I believe it will, you are about to make a buttload of money in crypto. And I am going to show you and prove to you exactly why I think so. And when I say you, I'm talking about two types of people. Number one, you're someone who already has funds allocated inside the crypto market. Or number two, you're someone who has some funds and you're thinking about it and you're ready to start investing and trading crypto. Just in, China allows ownership of Bitcoin and crypto. Do you guys know how many people live in China? There are over, right here, said by Arch Network, 1.4 billion new people are on board. There's actually more than 1.4 billion people in China. And I believe one of the main reasons why this is happening is because of SAB 121 being revoked, allowing US banks to now accumulate Bitcoin and digital currency and have them legally on their balance sheets. The Russian government saw this and they're aware of it too. All the different governments in the EU, France, Italy, all the European countries, they saw this announcement and they are well aware of it. And Donald Trump is leading by example. His platform just today, World Liberty Finance, they bought almost 40,000 Ethereum. They invested almost $130 million in Ethereum just today. Because Donald Trump said America is going to lead the world in cryptocurrency and AI, he has to lead by example by accumulating more crypto. His friends and family are accumulating people. The staff that he hired to be in the White House to work along his side, they're accumulating crypto as well. So we know crypto regulation has to come into play. But is he going to put in regulation that makes it more difficult for him and those around him that he loves and cares about and he employs to succeed? Absolutely not. He's going to make it significantly easier for them. So we know that the world we live in is simply full of competition. We have the Olympics to see who can run the fastest, who can jump the furthest. We have FIFA World Cup where countries come together. Which country is the best at soccer? And it is no different when it comes to digital currency and AI. Because the US government is now pro cryptocurrency, they're accumulating crypto. We are now going to see that China is going to now allow their citizens to accumulate crypto. But not only that, what I believe is going to happen, we are also going to see Chinese government and the Chinese institution start accumulating crypto as America starts doing it. We're going to see the same thing start to happen in in Europe and also in Russia. We have been through the Industrial Revolution. We've seen how the internet came in and changed the world. Now we are going through a digital revolution with cryptocurrency at a global level. I believe there are three major things that are going to happen. Number one, we are going to see regulation come into play. It happens in every asset class, but we are going to see more positive regulation, which is going to be number one, regulation that incentivizes holding and having cryptocurrency, such as not having to pay capital gain tax every time we do a crypto transaction. Number two, we are going to see significantly more crypto projects start working together, meaning coming together and collaborating. And it's already happening. Like we're seeing right now, Ondo and XRP coming together. And we're also going to see significantly more RWA crypto project really start performing well. RWA meaning real world asset. Think about it. As the government starts putting more pro crypto regulation policies in place, real world asset tokens are going to be utilized more. So a lot of these crypto projects that we're seeing that are in the RWA category will have massive potential to do extremely well within this year. And I believe we're also going to see a lot of crypto projects do well that have strong fundamentals. One of the biggest things I realized in crypto that people forget, cryptos are companies. They are similar to stocks. There are people behind them that run them, that organize them. So crypto projects that have strong fundamentals that are actually doing something and producing money like a traditional business, we're going to see a lot of those crypto projects really start performing well and not just meme coins be the crypto projects that are crushing this bull market. Because if you see the top performing project so far in this bull run, we have seen PIP do over 100,000x, not 100,000%, 100,000 1,000x since its launch of only this year. Not even a full year yet. But I think we are going to see a lot of these crypto projects with strong fundamentals, especially within the DeFi space, within the AI space, within the RWA space, really start to outperform and do extremely well. So with China now getting into Bitcoin and buying crypto, let's actually see how Bitcoin is moving. And also, let's take a look at Ethereum with World Liberty Finance accumulating more today. Look how beautiful Bitcoin looks right now. Bitcoin dropped below this price range, which was 100K price range, and it has proven time and time again. Every time we see Bitcoin drop down towards that 100K price range, people are buying it up. We saw multiple point of contact right there. And here we see it again. And now we are starting to move within this uptrend direction. It is showing us that every time we see this price range, there's accumulation happening, not just from retail, but also from institution. And as all of these other countries get into the crypto space, what is the crypto project that they're going to accumulate first? It is probably going to be BTC. And then it is going to be other crypto projects. Like we just talked about, what's China accumulating? Bitcoin and others as well. So as long as if I see Bitcoin continue to remain above this 100K price range, it leaves us the opportunity to continuously move towards the upside to higher price range. And we know that the next all-time high price range is close to that 110K, BTC, which is a psychological level. But once we do break it, it just sets us up to hit the next major state, which typically would be that 115, 120K BTC. And that is amazing for crypto because we know as Bitcoin continues to run up, what does that happen with our XRP, our Solana, our Ethereum, our other crypto projects? They will continue to run up as well. Even though we saw World Financial Group accumulate almost $130 worth of Ethereum, because now we're focused on Ethereum, we didn't see the price of Ethereum really take a massive run toward the upside. Now we are seeing it is performing, it is moving in the upward direction as a whole, and it's performing lower lows, meaning we are seeing these lows get higher increase moving towards the uptrend. But right now, I am not that worried about Ethereum as long as if Ethereum stays above this main zone right here, which is between that 30,000 to that 31,000 price range. As long as we stay above that, then it sets us up to potentially run up even higher. Because right now, this is mainly an area of consolidation, and consolidation can be a good thing. Because what that means is that there is that shift, that battle between the bears and the bull, and prices is building, pressure is building. And when pressure builds during consolidation, it typically will mean it builds. Either A, it has an explosion toward the upside, or build, and it has a retracement towards the downside. But I don't think we are going to retrace towards the downside, with the simple fact that we have so much bullish factor on our side, where I expect we are soon going to see European countries now start accumulating more Bitcoin, more altcoins. We are going to see Russia start accumulating more Bitcoin, more crypto, and we're just going to see on a global level the digital revolution continue to scale. You guys, there's not enough Bitcoin for everybody, and there's not enough certain cryptos for everybody. So I just think this year, 2025, we are going to enter an area where we're really going to start to see prices picked up, not in the way we previously expected to this. And overall, as bullish as I am about the crypto market, when it comes to investing, I always like looking to the right, which is looking at optimistic side, but also looking to the left, which is making plans in case prices retrace, which is having that point where if prices go down here, I tell myself I am going to dollar cost average during this zone. I'm going to accumulate more of this crypto during this zone, because crypto is a little bit like the wild, wild west. And when regulation comes, it is going to stop more of that volatility. But until then, it is good to be optimistic, but also have a plan in place during those times of retracement when prices go down, because it's the opportunity to accumulate more crypto. And when prices do run up, it allows you to be more in the profits. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them below because I will read it and I answer every single one of them. Remember, you guys, keep it LIT, keep it lit, learn, invest, trade crypto.